So what are the cost implications of selling your home compared to engaging a real estate agent? I'm Karen Jones, your local real estate agent, and my goal with this video is not to give you a hard sell, but instead to present the facts and leave the decision up to you on selling by owner or by an agent. Firstly, let's compare apples with apples. When selling by owner, you will need to advertise your property online. There are costs involved, and what is offered to you when selling yourself is the basic online listing, compared to a premier listing when using an agent. Exposure is everything, and it's best to position yourself at the top of the pile whenever possible. Signboards and photography. These are some of the highest priority items to invest in when selling your home. Make sure you have professional photos done. You don't want your property to look dull or drab, and you want to present it in its best possible light. Great photos will evoke emotion and interest. Price. It's good to do your research based on facts, comparing your property to actual sales of homes similar to yours. Don't rely on the listing prices only. An agent has access to governing data providers in order to gather this information. You don't want to sell yourself short. Negotiation. If you're a good negotiator, great. However, if you don't like making the hard calls and understanding the process of reaching the best possible price, a seasoned agent will read the situation and know exactly what to do, ensuring a great outcome. Notice I said a seasoned agent. Don't be fooled into thinking any old agent automatically has the negotiating skills to do this. Ultimately, it comes down to trust. Do you trust the agent with one of your biggest assets? Trust that they will do the right thing by you, trust that they will do what they say, and trust that they will deliver. A good agent will more than cover the cost of their commission in reaching a greater price than you thought possible. Still not sure what to do? Give me a call for a friendly, no obligation chat.